Hey guys, Dean Soleimani here from SLiPLO Skid Plates. Today I have a brand new 911 right behind me, and I want to show you guys how SLiPLO could actually help protect this car. Because Porsche has always been one of the most popular cars as in wanting any form of protection. And I know a lot of people want to protect the bottom lip as they go through steep driveways. But the problem with the Porsche is you guys already have this plastic lip that goes on the bottom. But the part that really that I've seen get damaged over and over again is the side lower bumper piece on the Porsche. So what we've done is we've made a specific package just for this kind of Porsche, which is going to be the two-piece kit, which is only really two pieces that you're gonna need for each side, and one adhesive promoter. We're gonna get this thing up on the lift and show you how easy the installation is. Now that we have the Porsche up on the lift, realistically, you don't even need the car on the lift, but it's easier to demonstrate and show you guys the ease of application with it being on top of the air. The only things you're gonna need here is the two-piece SLiPLO kit, and this comes also with it, which is the adhesive promoter. You're gonna need something to cut with, a pen to mark your SLiPLO, and then something to clean with. All right, let's get started. The first step here is you want to actually clean and degrease the portion that you're gonna put the SLiPLO on. After it's nice and clean on both sides, next step is get your 3M adhesive promoter out and generously go ahead and apply the adhesive promoter. Realistically, what you want to do is look and place the SLiPLO on top of the bumper to see how it's going to be positioned. And I could see I need to cut it slightly, so I need to make a mark on top of my SLiPLO with the pen that I have here. Next step is you could go ahead and use your shear or your scissor. After you trim the SLiPLO, you want it to come back around and actually see if it fits, see if it needs any more trimming. This one looks like it's perfect. Next step is to remove the backing of the double-sided tape off of SLiPLO, and we are ready for install. You want as much coverage as possible. And then I'm laying this down without pressing it all the way down, just to make sure everything is fitting correctly. And then once I have it, if you want to reposition it, this is what you can go ahead and lift it down. That's why I'm not pressing down hard. And this looks great. I'm ready to go and press it. And then you want to follow the same procedure to this side. Go ahead and press it down. And there you go. In less than 5 or 10 minutes, you could have your Porsche protected. And obviously, because of the high demand that we're getting on these Porsches, we made a specific two-piece kit specifically for these Porsches. So make sure to get yours and protect your bumper right at SLiPLO.com.